Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this shield effect in UE5 Niagara. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this tutorial, like, share and comment. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter. My handle is CGHOW underscore and you can find this link in description. So although this effect is already created, but I will create it again for you guys so you can understand better. Okay. So these are the elements I need. I have one FX, one map, one mesh, and two, three materials. So first you need a mesh like this, a curved mesh. And how you will create that? So if I open the Maya, so in Maya you have to take a sphere, and then if I scale this, okay. So this is, you can see I have this hemisphere. So if I delete this sphere half, like this much, I have hemisphere. Okay, and if I duplicate this as loop, duplicate. So I have this as loop extracted. And if I rotate this, you can see this is because part of a sphere.